It is an exquisite and beautiful day. I'm gonna ride my bike to the woods, bring my laptop, and work on the game in the woods.
Inside of my brain. Okay, yeah.
Searching for a spot to start working on the game. Alright, we out here in the woods. I'm about to make a new title screen because this one's just temporary. I made it in Microsoft Paint. Let's go. We got 19 minutes of battery, and we're gonna switch locations.
Yeah. Forget you. Yeah. Forget you.
Well, we just ran out of power, but I actually got a decent bit done. It is now 1 week later, and here's what I got.